Hello my beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's Zakira here. I hope you guys are doing extremely well. So in this video I am going to share 5 healthy eating habits that you can follow for a clear and glowing looking skin. So if you are interested, keep on watching. I believe nutrition plays a huge part in achieving healthy skin. Starting with the first habit, and that is something I've been doing since years, and that is having lukewarm water with half or 1 lemon squeezed juice first thing in the morning. I think it is an amazing drink and it has lemons in it, so the antioxidants in lemon helps to regenerate the skin. So this drink helps to flush out all the toxins from the body, and the antioxidants in lemon helps regenerate the skin. And not only it is beneficial for the skin, but it is great for your body as well. So it also boosts your metabolism, it is great for your digestion, and it has vitamin C, so it is great for your immunity as well. It helps with many kinds of skin problems like acne, wrinkles, dark spots, etc. We generally start our day with tea or coffee, but switching that with a big glass of warm lemon water will really be good for your skin. This drink has many more benefits that I won't be able to fit in this small video. So moving on to the second one. So the second tip or habit that you want to form is to reduce your consumption of refined carbs. What do I mean by refined carbs? Is simply refined grains that have been stripped off from their fibers and nutrition. So basically I'm talking about white rice, white flour, and many more breakfast cereals. Now I'm not asking you to completely cut them off from your diet and feel unsatisfied and never have your comfort food. I'm not asking you to do that. You can definitely have them occasionally, but not a part of your regular diet. And you can make a slow switch to the right kind of carbs. By right kind of carbs, I mean vegetables, greens, whole grains. I leave a chart with good kind of carbs and bad kind of carbs on the screen so that you guys have an idea about them. Coming to the number 3, and that is vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals are really important nutrients for healthy looking skin, and they are extremely important for your body to work properly. So now my diet is not that bad, or it's not that good. It is somewhere in the middle, and sometimes the body needs the proper vitamins and minerals, and that is where the supplements come in. So the one which I'm using are from a brand called Carbamide Forte, and I'm currently using their vitamin C and curcumin tablets. It is completely natural and pure form of vitamin C with zinc. So zinc is great for your hormonal acne, and vitamin C is derived from amla, which we all know how good it is for our hair, for our skin and immunity. Vitamin C also strengthens the ability to absorb and utilize more collagen, which gives a youthful looking skin. And the other supplement that I'm currently taking are the immunity booster from the same brand. I think they are really needed looking at the viral situation. Curcumin is an active ingredient which helps to boost your immunity. So these tablets have turmeric, ginger, black pepper. Super easy to absorb in your body. I generally take it once a day with a full glass of water, and I found that this brand has maximum curcumin, which is 1500 mg in it. That is more than many other brands. So these tablets are vegetarian and they are pure. They don't have any parabens or gluten in them, so they are completely safe to use. I'm using them since 4 to 5 weeks, and I think they are doing a great job, and I really feel energetic because they also are immunity boosters. So I really feel energetic throughout the day. Do your bit of research and then look out for good supplements. I really like this ones, so if you want to get them, I'll link them down in the description below. They also have more supplements for men, for women, for kids, so you can have a look at them. I'll link them down in the description. Now moving on to the 4th habit, that is cutting down your sugar intake. How important is that? If you're having a sweet tooth like me, you must be thinking like, how is this even possible? I don't think I'll become cranky, I'll become irritated. but trust me, it'll do so much good for your skin, for your body. Now again, I'm not asking you to completely stop eating sweets. I'm just asking you to stop eating sugar and consume natural sugar instead. And I list few of the examples on the screen so you guys can see which are the natural sugars that you can have and are good for your skin. A lot of skin problems like acne, rosacea, eczema could be because of sugar intake. Sugar basically increases the inflammation, which in turn breaks down the collagen and elastin in your skin, and that's the last thing you want for your skin. Many times we don't realize, but we do take sugar in processed foods and processed drinks. So the next time you buy anything from the market, you just want to flip the product and see about the ingredients, about the sugar in it. Be really mindful about the sugar you put in your body. Now coming to the last and fifth habit, that is milk and dairy products. Now this will be a shock for a lot of you guys, but yes, our mothers and grandmothers have always told us that milk is so good for your skin. But things are changing, and with the increasing demand of the milk, the cows are treated with artificial growth hormones that affect the milk supply, and those hormones may throw your hormones level up and down and cause a hormonal imbalance in your skin. Most evidence-based studies shows that acne could be because of dairy products. Yogurt, on the other hand, is considered safe because it contains probiotics which calm the inflammation in your skin, and also it has lesser hormones than compared to the milk. Again, the substitutes could be plant-based milks like oat milk, cashew milk, almond milk, coconut milk, all those. So if you have a lot of acne, I would definitely suggest you to go dairy free for a few weeks and actually see for yourself if that works for you. These were the 5 healthy eating habits that will help you get clear and glowing looking skin. But with that, you also need to follow a proper healthy lifestyle. Need to check your sleeping schedule, you need to exercise, you need to take a little less stress, and you need to drink loads of water. So yeah, let me know in the comments how you like this video, and if it helped you in some way. I would definitely love to make more such videos. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you liked it, don't forget to go without hitting the like button, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. That was it for today. I'll see you next time. Bye.